Hey Flockers, I'm doing an unboxing today from something I received from Amazon. And I'll fast forward through this part real quick. It's by Safe Best, and it's a combination bike lock. And the cord is, how many feet? I forgot. Let me undo this and see how it works. Hold on, Flockers. I'm going to pause the video. I have it undone now, and it says the lock is preset to open at 0000. Set the combination dials to 0000 and withdraw the cable. Number 2, turn the knob 90 degrees in clockwise direction to the destination position. Reset the combination dials at the desired combination, making sure the numbers are lined up with each mark on the case. Then it says, do you have any? Once you have selected your combination, turn the knob back to the original position in a counterclockwise position. Record your new combination and keep it safe. Okay, well, let's start this. I'll fast forward through this part so it's not mundane, but you can watch me do this. See how it works out. Oh, before I do, I wanted to show you that it also comes with this easy release that you attach this to your bike frame with this, with your hexagon wrench, and then this will open up, and then you tighten this around the frame, and then to put this in here, your actual lock, and then to release, you push in the button and then it pulls right out. So put it in, you hear that lock, and you push in. Alright, so that's how that works. Okay, so let's start this, and like I said, I'll fast forward so you don't have to watch me fumble around. So there's the knob that you're going to turn 90 degrees. You turn that 90 degrees. You change your position. So we're going to change it to 1, 1, 1, 1. And then you put this back in like this. Then you turn the numbers. And it releases it. Blockers, there you go. So what you essentially do is you put your number to your, you pull this out, and then you turn to the arrow like I showed you on the side, and then you put it to your desired setting. I did mine on 111 and 222 just to give you a couple examples. And then you turn that dial back to the beginning where this is, and that would be your number, like your 000. I just put mine back on 000. And then once you get it there, you turn the knob again. Once you place this back in, then you turn these rotating combination numbers to whatever, so nobody can guess what your thing is. If you don't move these combinations, of course your lock's going to fall out because it's at the desired opening lock. So that's it. I hope that is clear to understand, but that's what you do. This is very sturdy, and it doesn't look like it's going to rust. It had good reviews on it, and I got mine in black. It comes in different colors. I don't remember the colors now, but I know there was like a pink and probably a red and a blue. I don't know the colors. I don't remember anymore. But I got black because I have a red bike now, and I thought that would look nice because I have black and chrome accents. And I didn't want it to really stand out and say, hey, look, I have a lock on my thing. So that's why I chose the black one. So there you go, Flockers. Have yourself a great day, and this looks like a really good bike lock